Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In previous video, I have created the book table and make the relation between book and author. In this video, I will create the book repository, book services and book controller. So start with book repository, add class interface, I book repository, inherit the generic interface, I repository, pass the model class, then create the book repository, add class book repository, click implement the base repository, book, and inherit the interface book repository. Now implement the constructor. Here book repository is complete. Now creating the book services. Right click, add class interface, I book service, P from author and rename it. Copy, paste. But you can do find and replace also. Get the book services. Implement the interface. I book service. Implement all the interfaces. First create the constructor. Then I book book repository. Repository space. Written as it done in author. Change to or delete. Written okay. For delete, first I have that book is equals to update by ID. First I have to check if book is exist or not. If book equal not equal to null, then wait else if book is found, then I have to delete these books, otherwise return false. Similarly, for this also, return update by ID for all book, return update date. Again, first I have to find the old book, exist not, not equal to null, then the problem of copy paste or book dot author ID equals to and all book dot description and all book dot book tag. Then page update the book and return old book. If book not found, then return null because book not first just have change the details in go to definition, change here book. So create the book controller, create add new controller, API, read write, add, give the name book controller, and again private read only I book services inject through constructor modify the signature as per our requirement. Just change it to book ask remove this not required update service dot get books for this task book return update book services dot get book by ID for add change to book also change the real type task return page book services dot create book similar for update change book and return add update and also change this to task book Similarly for delete also, boolean return state book service dot delete. In this way, I have implemented the book controller and perform all four methods: insert, update, delete. Now check in the postman. Let's check. First, I have to run this will success. Now go to program.cs file and also add the scope for book services and book repository. Copy and paste, change to book, key, paste. Developer always have a copy paste. Right. Open Postman for testing the book controller. Run the program. You are using change to yeah, it's working. Then try for creating the post. Book title, description, by the same author ID is colon now send. It give author field is required. Now check what is the issue. Go to book here. So I can resolve in this way. Make it not required. Now try again. Yeah, it's working fine. So similarly, you can perform the insert, update, delete for book also. Next video, we will show you how to use the DTO to avoid this situation. Thank you for watching this video.